Ready to discover the ultimate portable audio experience for 2025? The JBL Charge 6 isn't just a speaker. It's a powerhouse designed for both massive outdoor parties and intimate home listening, blending versatility with exceptional performance. This incredible Bluetooth speaker stands out with its unique ability to charge your devices via USB-C, making it an absolute game-changer for beach trips or camping adventures where power is scarce. Experience remarkably rich, balanced sound that effortlessly fills any room, delivering crisp vocals and deep bass without distortion, even at lower volumes. Fine-tune your audio perfection using the versatile companion app with its custom equalizer and presets, allowing you to tailor the sound precisely to your liking. Want to amplify your sound even further? Auracast technology lets you seamlessly pair the Charge 6 with other JBL speakers for an immersive stereo or studio mode. Plus, toggle on PlaytimeBoost for an astonishing 4 extra hours of battery life, ensuring the music never stops. Its thoughtful design, featuring a stable flat base and an adjustable handle strap, offers unparalleled portability and placement flexibility, whether at home or on the go. Don't just listen to music, live it with superior sound and functionality. Grab your JBL Charge 6 today, using the links in the description below to elevate your audio experience.